Friends, good evening. Today's video is a letter that I'll be in a letter in the form of poem that I'll be reciting to you. The background of this letter is something that you will try to you not try to you will be getting it later on. I'll just give a gist. So this letter comes in. It's the last letter, basically titled that I wrote to my sister because she was getting married. Well, what surprises me is not my writings, but the coincidence of writing it in the month of December. The years prior. This was written on 10 December 2017. And a year later, she got married. I don't know from where it comes, but yeah, it is there. And it's all feelings that my heart has. Alright, so here's the letter in form of poem, and the letter reads, and tomorrow you will be missed. The walls of your room will cherish the memories that it made with you in last 27 years. When you decided to share and rant all your anger, anguish and emotions in the middle of the night. Dear sister, I wish I could have promised to not to trouble you ever again. Looks like I'm already too late, because yes, 2 days later, like 10th, 2 days later, she's getting married, and I feel I'm already too late to say her sorry that I won't be repeating the same mistake ever again. So yeah, dear sister, I wish I could have promised not to trouble you ever again. Looks like I'm already too late. I even would share my favorite chocolates with you, and if you want, you keep them all. But nothing has ever happened. ऐसा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. Nothing happened like that because I was already too late. My heart cries, guys. I feel the pain while reading out this poem. Even my voice shivers. So, alright, but I have to finish it. Looks like I'm already too late. I would even share my favorite chocolates with you, and if you want, you keep them all. I wish the days we spent fighting if were actually spent talking. So I have we have fought like crazy, and the time when she was actually getting about to get married, I felt that those days won't come back, and I wanted to relive those days because the days we've spent fighting, I'm imagining if could have been spent like talking to each other, sharing things, secrets, whatever, because those days cannot be relived again. So I just wish it's a wishful thought which never comes true. A wishful thought. Alright. I wish I could have got an additional day talking and sharing with you the unexpressed feelings that my heart carries, and I trust you will give both your ears and listen to every word that I say. And this will happen when we meet next. God knows when we meet next, because I am not the time. मैं समय नहीं हूँ. It's been 2 years, guys. Anyways, fortune favors the brave, and I'm not the bravest at all. I wish I could have got an additional day talking and sharing with you the unexpressed feelings that my heart carries, and I trust you will give both your ears and listen to every word that I say, for the reason we might not get to talk in the same manner ever again. unquote. Thank you. So yeah, we could not get to talk in same manner ever again. This is somehow true. Things change, you change, people change, but the love remains. That's the most important thing. It should remain. Thank you. Cheers.